Hey friends, so I started taking down my Halloween decorations because the wheels are turning and I'm beginning to plan for my Christmas decorations. So anyways, I started taking down my Christmas decorations and then I thought you guys might want to watch because the little ghost that's on my hearth right there, he got a lot of attention and a lot of people are asking, how did I do this? Also, a lot of people really liked my Instagram reel of us building it. So I'll put a link to the Instagram reel in my description below. So you are more than welcome to go check that out. But I'm gonna take everything down and I'll try to get closer when we get to the ghost. And then I will like reverse the video, speed it up, just the part of the ghost. So you can see how I made it. It's super easy. I didn't even go to the store and buy anything. I used everything I had here at the house. And next year, save this for next year because if you really like it, you can easily go back to it and recreate it for your Halloween decorations. Which, by the way, I hope you guys are having a happy Halloween. Because when this goes out on Saturday, it'll just be a day or two away from Halloween. So let's get started. We'll take everything down, then hang in there, wait for it because I'm going to show something I found at Amazon that I've seen on Instagram for, I don't know, probably a year. And I kept putting off buying it. Well, I bought it and I love it. I mean, I really don't know why I waited until now. So I'm gonna show that to you too after we do the Halloween tear down. So let's get started. So I know you're far away, but these are the little eyes and all I did was tape them with regular tape. You know, just folded it, regular tape. This is the Ryobi generator inverter. This thing's awesome, I'm telling you. So basically, you have these batteries that you charge up, and I use a lot of Ryobi tools, so I have a couple of batteries. Actually, I have like 4. So I just keep rotating them. But this little guy here, you just put the battery in, and then you can turn it on. My battery's dead. And you turn it on up here. Now the cool thing about this is when you have a battery in, you have like a flashlight that comes out here. You can plug things in, which is like what I did with the ghost. I plugged it in there. And you also, look, you have a place you can charge your phone. So this is a great Christmas present. It's great. I used it on my porch last year for Christmas. So my garland, my outlet is like way over here. So I just used this, plugged it in, changed out the battery each night, and it illuminated my garland without these unsightly cords all over the ground. So handy little tool here. So this is my grandma's lamp, and there's a little something I want to tell you about it. You may or may not have one of these lamps, but you can just sit a styrofoam ball on a plant stand, on a high chair, or anything to give you that height. But if you have one of these lamps, you may have the glass piece. So this basically comes right off. And then there was a glass piece here that came right off. So I easily pulled that off. Before I put it on the doll high chair, I did turn it on. I turned it on to just the bottom, not the top, so that it just kind of illuminated from the belly. So that's how I created that. And then last, this was my mom's. This was my mom's high chair, little baby doll high chair when she was a little girl. And it's just been sitting up in my attic. So I took and flipped it over. So I have a blog post that just came out yesterday that gives you all the details on how to make this. Okay, so I'm not sure what just happened, but we got cut off. But anyway, so this was my mom's doll chair. Isn't it adorable? Such a cute doll chair. And it just was the perfect height because we wanted it to look like a little kid. So that's how we made the little ghost. Isn't that cute? It was so easy. We wanted something big and dramatic down here on the floor, and that was how we pulled it off. So I'll pull everything else off, and then we'll go and pick up all the other stuff around the room. So this piece here, we may reuse this frame again with another one of our printables. And we've been putting up brand new Christmas printables every day for the last 3 days. And I hope you guys check it out because we really are excited about them this year. And there are a lot of nature ones, retro Santas. We're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff. Some that have some pink colors in it because I know some of y'all like pink. Greens, beautiful colors. So keep an eye on that and we'll share more every day. If you're following me on Facebook, I share every day on Facebook. Now, about every other day or third day, I share on Instagram. But if you follow me on Facebook, and I'll put a link to my Facebook in the description, you will see exactly what goes up every day. Okay, so we've cleaned off the mantle. I'll do the bats later. I don't want to bore you with that. But I wanted to show you this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to turn this around so you have you can see this from a better spot. Whoops. Okay, so do you see these candles right here? So these are the battery-powered candles on Amazon. And they light up with a remote control. These are new. Okay, so this is what I've had for the last couple of years. I bought these at Target. They look like this inside. You light them. That's what they look like. Can you see that? It does a little flicker. These have been great. Why do I use battery-powered candles? Well, number one, I have rosacea on my face, and when I light regular wick candles, it causes a flare-up. I don't know what's in the candles that does that, but I can tell you that when I made my own candle, I have a post on how to make a tea light candle. I made it with pure coconut oil, and pure wax, beeswax that I got from a local farmer. Did not bother my face. Those were the only 2 ingredients. Did not bother my face. So I do not know what is in store-bought candles that gives me a flare-up. So I bought these, and these are great and handy for like in those jack-o'-lanterns that I just pulled down off of the mantle. But they don't look very real just sitting out. I mean, that doesn't do much for me. So that's why I got these. So we're gonna zoom in close and show you. Okay, so as you can see, the little flame moves, it flickers, and it lights up. And listen guys, at night, It's so realistic. And it also comes with like a wax finish on it, which I really like. It feels like a wax candle. And then the base is kind of this, not spongy, but soft base. So it fits beautifully in my candlestick holders. As you can see, I mean, I can pick this up and it doesn't want to fall out. And that's a plus for me. So, so I got 6 in a pack, which I thought was good. It came with 2 remotes, and I'm able to put them around the house. And my daughter has been stealing them from me. I'll put a link to this in the description. It is definitely worth adding to your Christmas list or giving as a gift for Christmas. Okay, so I've shared my 2 favorite battery-powered candles. And I like the pillar size to go in things like the jack-o'-lantern. It also looks pretty sitting in my dough bowl with like greenery, pumpkins, anything like that. I really think these tapers look better, that kind of flicker that moves. I think that looks better in a taper. But if you're kind of hiding a candle down in something, use this. Now, one more candle I do want to tell you about is the Dollar Tree. They have these little tea light ones. They're like $1.25 for 2 or 4, 2 or 3. Anyways, those are great too for smaller things. Like in my video, my home tour video, I had a little pumpkin on my bookcase that had one of those in it. Those are great too. So anyways, thank you so much for coming and joining me here at Life on Summer Hill. I hope you have enjoyed helping me take down the decorations, and I hope you have found the battery candle review helpful. Happy Halloween. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next week, Sunday night, 7 p.m. Eastern.